Hello, hello. It is Thursday. It may not be Thursday for you, but whenever you should be doing this lesson, it is Thursday. I'm recording all these lessons in advance as to why I'm wearing the same clothes, or I could just be crazy and not change my clothes every day. So, anyways, I miss you bunches. I hope you're doing well. We are learning a very, very hard skill today. Oh, but it's super easy, I think. We'll see. Anyways, we are still doing our vowel, consonant, vowel pattern, okay? But we're coming into something a little tricky, okay? And we're going to talk about that. So let's look at this word. Do you see any obvious codes that we can do for this word? Any obvious codes? I need to quit moving my camera so I don't have to keep adjusting it. Yeah, I see that sneaky E. So we're going to go ahead and cross out that sneaky E. Do you see anything else? Nope. So we can go ahead and do our vowels. Let's go ahead and do our vowel, consonant, vowel pattern because I see a vowel, consonant, vowel. Let's go ahead and divide. Remember, our division line goes after our first vowel, okay? Now, what do we do after we divide the word? Yeah, we go ahead and accent that first syllable. Remember the first vowel. Remember that first vowel is always accented, and we can go ahead and make a macron on this A because we know the sneaky E is making A say A because E scared it, okay? Now, we know whenever it's like this, we know this division line makes the A say A. So let's go ahead and sound this word out. Ready? Awake. Have you ever heard of the word awake? Awake. Yeah, I've never heard of the word awake because awake is not a word. I have heard of the word awake. Have you heard of the word awake? Yeah, so we've coded something wrong. Let's go ahead and erase this right here. All right. So is the A still accented and open in this for this vowel? No. It is still open because it is still saying, it's not saying the A sound, so it's still an open vowel, but it's not accented. So when A is open and not accented, it usually makes the sound. So we're going to code it with this funny saying. Ready? You know, all of our codes have cool words, or cool names. This code has a cool name. Ready? Schwa. Schwa. We're going to code it with a schwa. Ready? So a schwa looks like this. Hold on. I got to turn my board around so I can draw it right. Looks like this. It's like an upside down E. Did I do it right? No, I did not. Hold on. I didn't do it right. Hold on. Told you. It's a tricky. I didn't draw it right. There we go. A schwa. It's an upside down E. How cool. So when the A is open, when the vowel A is open and it's not accented, it makes the sound and you code it with a schwa. Okay. This is going to be very, very tricky to remember, but remember, we practice our phonics skills every day and we review them every day. So this is something that we will continue learning every day. So when I'm going to have a roll card that is posted on the wall for when the vowel A says schwa, and I will have that in the classroom. But we're going to practice our keyword that helps us remember when A says and not A or A. Our new keyword is a fruit. It's curved like a moon. You must peel it to eat it. Monkeys love this fruit. What do you think that it is? Yeah, a banana. 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 Do you hear that? Banana is spelled like this. This A is making the banana, okay? So banana is going to help us remember when A says okay? I'm going to have this in our deck when we do our cards every day. And whenever I say this, you will say vowel A, vowel A, We're going to have this in our card, okay? In our card pile. Now, let's practice coding with the sound. Oh, here's a good one. So now whenever I ask you on our cards, what lowercase letter can make the sound, you will not only write a U, you will also write a A. I'm writing our sentence for us to decode. Okay, here we go. Let's look at this first word. What do you see in that first word that starts with the letter C? What do you see in this word? Yeah, I see some digraphs and some combinations. What do you see? Awesome. Let's look at this one. What's the very first thing that you see? Yeah, I see combination digraph ch, combination AR. And I also see vowel digraph EE. Now let's sound this word out. Ready? Ch-R-L-E. Charlie. Charlie. And this has a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern. So let's go ahead and label that. Here's our vowel. Here's our consonant. Here is our consonant and our vowel. Do you see how we have that? So let's go ahead and divide it. Remember this pattern, you divide it between the two consonants. And we accent the harder saying syllable, which is this first one. So Charlie, Charlie. And then let's look at this word. What do you see about this word? Do you see anything? Any suffixes, digraphs, or combinations? Yeah, I see that sneaky, sneaky E. That's making O say O. And I also see a vowel, consonant, vowel pattern. And I'm going to go ahead and divide it. Oh, I have that A right there. And that A is open, but it's not accented. So how would I code this A that is open but not accented? Yeah, I'm going to put a schwa on it. Let me go ahead and do that. We're going to put a schwa on it. Awesome. Do you see that schwa on the top of A? Awesome. And remember, we accent the vowel or the words, the syllables that we're saying the hardest and the fastest. And this word, this second part, or in this word, the second part is what we're saying harder and faster. So we don't accent the A. It's not accented. So because it's not accented, it's saying the sound. Okay. So Charlie, oak. And then let's look at this other one. On. Yep, on. And we don't have anything on there, so we're just going to code it with a breve. It's on. And then what do you see this last one? Do you see any suffixes, digraphs, or anything like that in this last word? Yeah, I see that sneaky E. That means this vowel I is saying its name. All right, let's read the sentence. Ready? Charlie awoke on time. Awesome job. So we're going to practice spelling with the sound using the rule that we learned today. I'm going to put that in a slide, and I'm going to let your mom know what she needs to do for that. And then whenever you're done tomorrow, you have your spelling test, and I'm trying to figure out how we're going to do that. So I probably will just upload a video of me saying the words, and then you will send me a picture of your spelling. Okay? Awesome job. I will see you in a little bit. Bye.